Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin now, pick 1 or 2 essential tasks and lock them in for the next 60 to 90 minutes so momentum builds. Once done, eliminate distractions, mute notifications, and close irrelevant tabs because reduced stimuli sustain attention. Start a 25 to 50-minute focused block with a visible timer. This creates urgency and structure. Make sure to plan a short 5 to 10-minute break after each block, since brief resets restore cognitive energy and keep you productive across the morning. You now move into sustained execution. Divide each main task into 15 to 30-minute chunks so progress is visible and manageable. Once a chunk starts, commit to single tasking. Avoid switching apps or threads because context switching wastes time and focus. Use small prompts, a 1-line checklist, an estimated time, and the explicit next action to bypass decision fatigue. Make sure to log completion. Seeing 3 to 5 checked items during a session reinforces momentum and reduces avoidance. You finish by closing the session deliberately. Write down 3 wins and the single next action to start next time because clarity prevents morning paralysis. Once done, archive or delegate any low-value items right away so your backlog stays lean. If you stall, use a quick troubleshooting move. Take a 5-minute reset, reframe the task into a smaller chunk, or switch to the easiest chunk to regain flow. Make sure to schedule a longer break after 2 solid sessions to recharge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.